Hey Jeff, you know about Sophia? You mean your ex Sophia? No. I mean robot Sophia. Oh, I am sorry, Jeff. Yeah, I know that way you suddenly asking me. I have worked to know these things. I searched, but I could not understand background things. Help me, Jigs. Yes, Sophia is robot. It's used artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. There has anything related about to machine learning? Yet machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. It gives devices the ability to learn from their experiences and improve their self without doing any coding. What learning really is. What does this really mean? Can you explain briefly? Yeah, why not? Before learning took place, problem-solving tasks relied on writing algorithms. Algorithms? Yeah. An algorithm is simply a set of rules that takes an input and returns an output as a solution for the problem. For example, a list of numbers. You are asked to sort them in an increasing order. This problem is solved by algorithms. In fact, there are a lot of algorithms to solve this task. They work by taking the list, applying some rules and manipulations, and returning the list in a sorted way. Oh. Some problems were not so easy to solve by algorithms. People started to ask more from computers. They wanted the machine to have super abilities of solving very hard tasks. That means? That means tasks that scientists completely had no idea how to program. For example, how is it possible to write an algorithm that takes an image of an animal and outputs the type of it? This is a very easy task for humans, but solving it with algorithms is a very complex mission, if not impossible. Humans know how to classify animal photos, but they do not know how to describe the steps they take to reach the answer. So, how to solve problems that even humans do not know how to describe? Experience. Experience? Yeah. Humans learn from experience, and so do machines. How? When we're young, we don't know about fire as danger. When we know about that, we just go and just touch it. Yeah. Let us go and touch it. Unfortunately, here comes the pain, and the learns from the harmful experience not to touch fire in the future. Here I emphasize on experience, because this is what learning is about. The idea behind learning is very simple and intuitive. To make a computer learn a task. Task? Yeah. We give it a set of questions followed by an answer. Note that we do not know how to describe the steps to go from a question to an answer, so we assign this task to our poor buddy the machine. This is one category of learning named supervised learning. Supervised learning? What is that? Yep, it is a types of learning. Simply we just considering a program that takes an image and answers whether it contains a cat or not. The way of teaching this program is by giving it a lot of images labeled as is cat or is not a cat. The machine's responsibility is to learn a way to go from an input to a label. Oh. And also classification, supervised learning problem that involves predicting a class label. Regression, supervised learning problem that involves predicting a numerical label. Both classification and regression problems may have one or more input variables, and input variables may be any data type, such as numerical or categorical. There are other categories such as unsupervised learning, where we do not give the answer to the questions, and the model has to find a way to find it. There is reinforcement learning, which is like the one used in video games, where the model learns to reach a high score by choosing the best actions and learning from bad ones. Oh yeah, there is a lot of things. Anyway, thanks dude, to great help. Hey, don't mention. It's not a big deal. Yeah, it's already late. You just tired. Got your bed? Yeah. It's late. Good night, buddy. Good night.